empty messages in Caplog when logs emit in a different process. I am running the test with log_CLI equals true. The script. Pytest log_CLI shows the log message in both tests. However, the Caplog sees the messages only for the second test. First test fails with the following traceback. I was looking to a similar question. Pytest capture not working, Caplog and capsys are empty, however in my case the property propagate equals true.
Inspired by it Hofling and still the will to use Caplog, there is a solution. The idea is to create a fixture which takes the queue from the queue handler and re-emits the logs in the main process, which is capturable by the Caplog.
If you want to support the channel, please don't leave a liking and subscribing.